Upgrade your home and kitchen with these 7 must-have gadgets. From cooking to organizing, these game-changing tools make life easier and more efficient. Let's dive in. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a kitchen essential for quick and precise cooking. With its 2-session response time, waterproof design, and easy-to-read backlit display, it's perfect for grilling, baking, frying, and more. Trusted by over 100,000 buyers last month, this multi-use thermometer is a must-have for home cooks and BBQ enthusiasts alike. It even comes in an elegant box, making it ideal for any occasion. The iRobot Roomba Vacuum is a top-seller cleaning companion designed to simplify your life. With its 3-stage cleaning system, smart navigation, and app control, it tackles dirt and dust on carpets and hard floors effortlessly. Its sleek design reaches under furniture, while the edge-sweeping brush cleans corners and edges. Self-charging and easy to set up, it offers up to 120 minutes of cleaning per charge. Trusted by over 30,000 buyers last month, it's the perfect tool for a clean and dust-free home. The Lavoie Humidifier is a versatile home essential designed for comfort and convenience. With a 3L water tank, it provides up to 25 hours of continuous moisture, ensuring restful nights free from dryness or congestion. Its top-fill design makes refilling hassle-free, while the built-in essential oil diffuser transforms your space into a calming home spa. Operating ultra-quietly, it's perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and large rooms. The adjustable mist output and 360 DEG nozzle allow for personalized humidity levels, and the auto shut-off feature ensures safe, worry-free use. Loved by over 30,000 buyers last month, it's a must-have for any home. The Asakuti Essential Oil Diffuser is a 5-in-1 aromatherapy device that offers a relaxing and fragrant experience. It features a large, easy-to-clean water tank, 7 LED light colors, and multiple mist modes, all controllable via a convenient remote from up to 16.5 feet. With an ultra-quiet fan, it operates at a noise level quieter than a gentle breath, ensuring a peaceful atmosphere. The diffuser's safety auto-switch prevents overheating, making it safe for use in various settings like offices, homes, or bedrooms. BPA-free and with a beautiful gift box, it's perfect for yourself or as a thoughtful gift. The Full-Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget designed to simplify meal prep. This versatile tool includes rust-resistant, razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blades for chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients like potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. The soft grip handle and non-slip base ensure comfort and stability while in use, while the BPA-free chopper features a catch tray to reduce mess. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, making it ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. The Full-Star Chopper is designed for quick, efficient food preparation with no hassle. The Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit transforms your home with a soothing lavender and almond blossom scent. This modern diffuser uses natural essential oils to create a refreshing mist, offering a portable and cordless design that can be moved from room to room. Each refill lasts up to 45 days on a low setting, and the kit comes with a ready-to-use refill for convenience. No water is needed, making it easy to change out refills. Available in a variety of premium fragrances like Freshwater Breeze, Mandarin, and Sweet Tangerine, and more, it enhances your home's atmosphere effortlessly. This 4-set glass drinking cup set from Delisi offers a stylish and durable solution for your beverage needs. Made from premium borosilicate glass, these crystal-clear tumblers are BPA-free, lead-free, and safe for both hot and cold drinks. Each set includes 4 glass cups, bamboo lids, reusable glass straws, and cleaning brushes. Perfect for coffee, tea, beer, whiskey, and cocktails.